go to the right, to the left.
I already know how to ride this.
Oh yeah? Turn left. You do this.
I don't know.
Yeah, you can do it.
I know. It's easy.
Okay, now straight. No, straight.
No, it's not. It's very easy. It's very, very easy.
Oh, stay
Yeah,
slowly,
Tita
stay
Darwin
slowly.
teach me how to drive this.
Okay. Don't just press. Oh,
Anak mo,
very
ah.
good. But you have to turn it again. I know
Me second.
if you do pressing number 2, you have to do this.
Go, put it back.
Pull it back. Okay? For you not to be jump so high. Oh, if there's a ramp, take it slowly. Put it back again if you're going to ramp.
I don't
Put it back. Put it back.
It's okay, you go.
Put it back.